today's walk is actually going to take us from this junction here. That is a junction from Taboko, the last junction before the Latrikunda hospital. That's the junction before the Latrikunda hospital. This is the junction from Bundung Highway, from Latrikunda Bundung Highway, and this junction leads to Bundung and Latrikunda. That is the Vista Bank. Yeah, and we are getting into Latrikunda now. This building here is a new mosque, just being constructed, and the petrol station here is the junction that heads to the Latrikunda hospital. Yeah, that's the place where that left us is from the Latrikunda hospital. Yeah, that's the petrol station. Yeah, it's a new one, just renamed, I think last month or a few months ago. They have a new building here. This also have been constructed here, I think like a few months, less than a year now. Yeah. We're walking towards Latrikunda. Too much noise because I'm in the middle of the road, as you can see. Yeah. That is GT Bank at the Cow Junction, the famous Cow Junction. That's the Access Bank. Face to each other as GT Bank, and that is Access Bank at the Cow Junction. Yeah. That's the famous Cow Junction. This one leads through Kunku. This one to Latrikunda at the south. That's Humanity Fest, Information Technology Center. Yeah. Below there is a drugstore. School has been here for a long time. You have QCell customer care, Latrikunda. Another bank not far from the GT Bank, that is LBN Bank. That's the famous Gamtel house. It's an old one. It has been here for centuries now. Yeah. Was a store before, but it's now turned to a bakery. You have another mobile shop here. Another one. There are a lot of mobile stores here. That's their mobile phones and other mobile accessories. That building there is the building of the Latrikunda market. It's a new one. I think it was inaugurated last year by the mayor of KMC. Yeah, there are a lot of African branded here. It's QCell branded. It's a new building constructed by the KMC and Latrikunda market. They have this new building here because it's old so long ago. That's the famous Latrikunda market. This junction leads to Latrikunda market. Another building being constructed just opposite the Latrikunda market here. We're just passing the Latrikunda market now. Almost close to the end of the market. We have the Ajib Bank, the right hand side. Just after the market from Sapokoto. Another bank, that is the Trust Bank. That's the Trust Bank. There are a lot of banks on this highway. They are very close to each other. Busy moment at this time. Yeah, a lot of cars coming from Westfield going to Tobacco at this time because this is the time. It's like a closing time. It's around 5 p.m. So most of the people are just closing from their work place and going back home. Yeah, that's the last junction before another petrol station. This one is under construction just a few months ago. There's a rapid development here. As construction started just a few months ago, but they're almost there now. All stores, because it's very close to the highway. A lot of business people. Yeah. More people going home at the time, closing from work and going home. That's why they have this kind of traffic. On my left here, that's the petrol station. We have a lot of petrol station and are very close to each other. Now these people are going home, closing from work. Now going home. That's why you have this kind of traffic. Going to go to. Whoa, that's a tire. Serious. Okay. We're going inside Latrikunda before we pass. We just passed the market and we go off on the left. That's the masjid there. And we have Arabic school inside there. It has been here for a very, very long time. This place used to be a bakery before. It has now turned to a mechanic workshop. It's going back to where we're from. Yeah, a lot of stores here, very close to each other. These people, they sell machines, car machines, engines, I think, yeah, car engine. Another welding workshop. First junction. We're going back towards Tabokota now. Yeah. That antenna there, it's where the trust bank is. We are just right behind the trust bank now. The bank we passed a few minutes ago. Yeah, and the sunlight, direct sunlight, that's why I'm not seeing it properly. But this compound here is directly behind the trust bank. Another punctured tire. Most of these cars pass through this parkway because of the traffic on the main road. So if they're in a haze, most of them prefer to walk through this way. It's a little bit fast, but the road is not good. Yeah, that's behind the Ajib Bank. This building is right behind the Ajib Bank. Load. Okay, that's the junction. That's opposite the new building from the main market there. There's a building over there. I think we have one junction. From there I will get the cow junction. Just on junction before the cow junction. The same thing is happening with the cars. They are all diverting the main highway. A lot of cars parked there, you know. Junction is directly opposite the Gambel. Yep. It's like an empty. There was a small house built there. Soon start development, I think, because it's very rare to see an empty plot of land like this in this area. It's very rare, of course. At a well-developed area like this, you see an empty plot with no house or just a small house. We just arrived at the junction, the cow junction. Yes, that's the cow junction. The fourth bend on the right here, you have the cow junction. Yep, that's the cow junction. There. Sell wood there. All types for carpenters. I think that's the best place to come to if you are a carpenter. you buy it at a wholesale price, then do your. There's also the last junction before you get to the hospital junction. That's the main highway. Just around the GT Bank. There. You will have to use the camera, so when you point the camera at the direction, especially the direction where they are, people start complaining. It was not very common to see people filming on the road just like that. I think this is just, there's a building behind the other one. Just after the hospital junction, you have the petrol station, then you have that nice building. There's the one behind it. It's a very nice one, big one too. Now you have the petrol station at the hospital junction. It's the back gate. Fridge maintenance and air conditions. That's the hospital junction. That leads to the hospital, and that's the highway and the petrol station there. Another one diverting the main road because of the traffic. We will soon get to where we started. Car is going to the left, we'll just go right, then we'll get back to where we started from. It's not a long distance, just like 17 minutes walk. So getting back to where we started from is like a 360 walk. The video might not be clear now because of the sun, for sure. Another welding workshop in this compound. Getting back to where we started before. This is where exactly we started, so we are here in 18 minutes. 360 in 18 minutes. It's a good one, not a long video. Yeah, that is behind that building there. You see another one that they are in construction just behind that building. Just after the petrol station, you have another one being constructed inside. Maybe it's the same person, or I don't know. That's the new Masjid Al-Quran. Under might be a shop, and you have stores on there. And the first floor you have the masjid. It looks like a masjid.